Hi, it's Jason from Fine and Country of Bideford, and welcome to 2 Langley Drive. Boasting over 2,700 square foot of accommodation, every bedroom, and there are 4 in total, have their own en-suites, 2 of which have their own balconies. And the real wow factor of this wonderful home has to be this incredible 40-foot long open plan space comprising of the kitchen area, lounge area, you've got a dining area here, and you've got direct access onto a balcony which goes right across the front. This visually stunning contemporary reverse level home is just one of just 12 highly individual properties located in a private gated development. Constructed in 2020, number 2 Langley Drive occupies an elevated position overlooking a wooded valley with splendid open countryside views beyond towards the River Torridge. Benefiting from an impressive B-rated energy rating with underfloor heating, air source heat pump and masses of glazing, this property really is a fantastic opportunity indeed. It has triple garage, carport, gated development, and is offered for sale from today. If you're interested in this property, give Fine and Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.